Hey my love, welcome to the day 3 in our 30 days content creation tutorial. So let's not waste our time, let's just go right into the editing process. This is the interface of my phone, so I'm gonna go straight to the Canva app, and this is it. So I click on it and it brings me to the main Canva out face. So this is it. Now you require a working data for this app. Okay, this app does not actually work offline just like the ancient app. Okay, so this was one of the video I was working on. So let it load up very well so that I can show you all the things that you will see once it opens. Remember, we are working with a phone, we are using our phone for this tutorial. So looking at this, once it opens, even if this very video is not here, these are the things you're going to see. Looking at this place, these are the tools. We have the design, element, text, gallery, brand, uploads, tools, project, app, magic media, audio, background, chat. Okay, now mostly for videos, for you to actually do your videos, most of the time the basic things you need are design, element, text, gallery. These 4 are usually the ones you need the most when you are editing your videos. Now you need project for if you have any work you've been doing, like you've done before, okay, or we are doing, and at a point you stopped maybe to do some things. Okay, another thing you will need here is the audio. Okay, if you're actually doing a kind of voiceover, you'll be needing the audio. Okay, and again the background, if you want to change the background, assuming the background of the video you actually created is not as beautiful as you want and you want to add a fake background, you can get that background from here. Okay, that is it. So let's talk about it now. If I click on design, I'm going to have all this interface. These are interface of Merry Christmas, because that was what I searched last. So you can search anything you want, assuming you want to maybe create a video that is pertaining to your business. Let's say advert. Okay, I'll just type advert. Okay, have advertisement. So I'll click on it and it's going to give you all the type of videos that actually work, like do the advertising experiment, so that you can actually choose if you like any of the format. Okay, for instance, let me click on this one that says empower. All right, now I click on it, it's going to come out like this. Yeah, okay, this is how it looks. Now if I decide to choose it, I'll just click on it and it will play. Now it is showing me like this to show me that it is in 3 different categories. Okay, these are how it is, but this one actually is paid version. Okay, now Canva is in 2 forms. They have their paid version as well as a free version. Okay, so this one is for paid version. Look at this crown right here. This is an indication. Whenever you see this here on Canva, it shows that that particular maybe element or whatever you want to use actually is for only subscribed customers. Only people who subscribe can actually access it. All right, so let's check for another one. Now I want to go back. You have the option of clicking right up here or clicking this very one. So let's go with this one first. So it brings me back to where I started. All right, so I'll go to that design again and type something else. Okay, or maybe if I want to go back to where this very one started, where actually I click that this one come out, you can see. Okay, I'll just click on top of this place and it brings me back to this place again for me to actually select another one. Okay, let me for instance select okay, our service. All right, let's see. I click on our service. Now this one is not paid for. Okay, you can see. Now let's click. This is all that it entails. What you will see when you play the video, it has all 5 pages. So we click on it to play. Now these ones are coming first because I still did not delete the video. It's a kind of, I'm still working on this. Now let me delete these ones for only this one I want to work with to remain. You understand? So what you will do is you bring this one, you tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see this box, this white box that is covering it. Now when this white box covers your video, it is set for you to do a lot of things. Maybe you want to add transition or anything. If you want to add transition, you just click beside it. Maybe you want to add transition or audio, or like looking at this place, you see all the things you can actually add. Okay, when you click on that very thing, or you want to replace it, but in my case I want to delete it. So what do? Look at this up here, you will see delete. So I tap on it, it is deleted. I still deleted this one as well. Now the thing is, this very one, this is where it started. Okay, but let's go over it again. Let's close this entirely. Now I'll close this by clicking here. If I click here, you see I'm starting all afresh. All right, now what I just did is still there. If I still want to access it, I'll still get it. How do I do that? I'll just come to this place, your design. If I click on this, your design, whatever I've been working on or I worked on, it is saved right here. Okay, only when you delete it will it go. So you can see that it's here, and other things I have done actually are here. Okay, so that is it. Now let's go to create. Whenever you want to start, you start with the create. When you click on create, it links you to the main interface. So right here you see the options of a lot of things that you can do. And be careful when you want to select the video for YouTube. Make sure it is the one for YouTube, or the one that is on landscape mode. Okay, that is 16.9 in ratio. Remember, 16.9 in ratio. If it is vertical, it is still 16.9. Now most of the time, once it opens, you will just see all the templates they have. Okay, in case you are interested in any one. When we talk about template, we're talking about an example of the works you can actually do in a video, like some video samples. That is what templates are. Okay, so you can see they said recently used. Now right here I have recently used. That is the things or the videos, the templates I have used recently. They are all stored here. So these are they. Okay, I'll go back. When I want to go back, I click down here. It's going to take me back to this place entirely. Now for me to go back to where I just came out from, I click on this design again. It's going to bring me to this place. And if I want to now get other templates, I'll just come to this place, cancel this place. Okay, and I'm going to come back to the original surface of the template. So these are the templates. Now I believe that you actually have your own video that you want to edit, so let's go straight. Now we're not going to work with templates. What do? You just go straight to the gallery here. You click on it, it opens. Okay, so this is camera. You can see all the videos I have here, so you can choose any of the video that you want to edit. You just pick one video. Okay, let me just pick this one. I add media. Okay, so it's gonna go up. Now this is it. Okay, now there are so many things you can do to a video. You can actually add transitions, you can split, cut out, add, remove, add audios, a lot of things. Now if you look down here, you will see things like replace, you will see overlay, you will see this is split right here, but it's not showing. Once I cancel, I click on this marked sign. There is marked how do I call it? this marked okay, I don't know, but right here, if I click on it, everything will show. Now let me click. You see, so you will see design, element, text, gallery, you see brown, you see uploads and all that. Okay, now this is a video. Now when you want to edit your video, any part that you don't want, watch me play now. I will play this video. Anywhere that I don't want, I will just stop and split. Okay, do you see what split does? The moment I split it, can you see? Now if I don't want this place, what do? I'm just going to delete it. Okay, that's how you remove the things you don't want in your video. All right, so look up here, you see delete, you click on it, it is gone. Do you see? I still have just one. Anywhere at all you don't want, click on what? Click on split. It's going to split out that place. You go to where do you go to? Up here, can you see delete? You click on it, it actually deletes that. Anywhere you don't want, what do you do? Anywhere you make a mistake, what do you do? Click on split. It's gonna split the video. That is what split does. It will split the video, that is the one that you made mistakes, out from the one that are okay. That is what you keep doing at any point that you made mistake. Once you split, you delete. Okay, so I split this, I'll just go and delete it. Okay, so if you want to delete, just tap on it, assuming you come up here and delete it. So that is how to remove the things you don't want in your video. It is removed with split and delete. Another thing you can do is to adjust it like this. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? Assuming this video is like this, I want to adjust it, I'll just push it from here like this. Can you see how it's adjusting? Okay, till I get to this where I want it. There's another form. Okay, but most of the time I love using the split and delete. Okay, because I think that's more easier for me. Okay, once you cut, you just come here and delete and you keep working. All right, now you can choose to increase the volume of your video. You come right here, you can see. All right, if the volume you actually have is not enough, okay. Another thing you can do with your video, there are a lot of things you can actually do. You can play around video. You can actually add filters. You can add transition. You can do a lot. Assuming you want to kind of flip your video, you can see maybe your video was like this. You want to change it to become like this. Did you see that? Like this. Okay, so this is what flip does. Now the color, maybe you want to add a new color. Did you see that? Now this is like this because if I want that to come again, I'll go to positioning and bring it back. But this is like this because I did not remove the background of the video. Okay, so if I don't want this, what should I do? I'll come up right here. If you click this down part, you will go back to the main work you started. You won't go back to where you stopped, like where you stopped before this process. But if you just click right here, you will go back to where you were before. So know these two differences. It's very important so that you will not keep making mistakes and editing all day. Okay, all right, so let's be moving. Now you can still from here and remove your background. In case you don't like your background, you want to give your background another background, you remove it. But this one is usually it's a paid version. Okay, you have to pay. Now you have filters. You can actually add filter. So these are filters. What does filter do? It changes. Can you see what it's doing? Each of the filter I add actually changes. You can come to one, you can look for vivid, you have vintage. So anyone you want, you can actually do it. And if you don't want any of this, what do? You come right here and click it back. Okay, all the nonsense you did, all the things you don't want that you did will come back to normal. Do you understand? You see how it's working? Okay, now I come back here. So that thing you can actually crop. Okay, if you want to crop some places, you can actually crop it. Do you see how it is being done. When we get to thumbnail creation, we'll talk lengthy to the part of creating thumbnails, then we'll dive deeper. For video, we don't do much. These basic ones I'm showing you are what we use for our video most of the time, because there are not much things we do when it comes to video. You can only do things like transition, split and delete, add transparency, maybe add some filter, some warmth to some places, like some simple things that you do when it comes to editing. You don't do that intense thing in your video, okay? Where you see a lot of creativity is on the thumbnail part, but the basic thing you need to know is the split and delete. That is, anyone you don't want to click on it, okay? When you click on the split button, it splits, you delete it out, okay? That is just what it is. But a very important thing you should understand here is that for you to actually master the editing skills here, you have to play with all these things. That is the only way you will master them, okay? So you can actually add text. This is where you add your text, okay? And when you add your text, you can actually change their font. You can make it bold. Can you see? From here, all the things you can do to your text. After that, it says you can make it bold, you can make it italic, can make it, you can underline it, you can change your font, okay? I don't know if you know font. That is the way the text appears. All right, so these are the things, the basic things you should know when it comes to editing. Now if you want to do a voiceover, you come to audio. When you click on the audio, you will see record voiceover, you will see generate AI voice. So it depends on what you want to do. If you want to do record voiceover, you click on it, you will see this red button. Now another thing is the element. If there is something you need to add to your video and you don't actually have it on your video, you can choose to get it from Canva. You type it right here and you will see it show up. Another thing you should know is the art of zooming in and zooming out, okay? For instance, you have something posted and you want to maybe add a clip to your video and it's a little bit wide and you want to adjust it to fit, you will just zoom it. So you click right on that video. If it's this one you want to click on, that is the mic behind, or you want to click on me, that is at the front. Can you see what is showing at the round corner of this video? You drag it. Can you see what I'm doing? That is how you zoom in and zoom out, okay? Zoom in, zoom out. If you want to do the one under, you click on that one. You can now zoom in and zoom out, okay? That is how it works, right? And don't forget to stay safe. See you in our next video, and bye for now.